It's time to meet Aaniiih, a sophomore with big dreams of becoming a fashion journalist. For Aaniiih, Aaniiih Nakoda College was the perfect place to jumpstart her future career, providing the supportive and enriching environment she needs to achieve her goals. Take it away, Aaniiih.
Thanks, Alex. Growing up, I was introduced to K-pop music and I was in awe of their fashion and style. Ever since, I found my interest in fashion journalism, and Aaniiih Nakoda College was the perfect place to start my education. Here, I've saved financially and stayed close to my family, which is very important to me. My whole life, I've been surrounded by Indigenous fashion and it's always interested me. It's important to me because of my Nakoda heritage. Sometimes, individuals on campus will wear ribbon skirts or shirts for ceremonies, powwows, or just every day. It represents who we are as Indian people. My favorite piece is an elk tooth necklace my auntie made me. She's a fluent Nakoda speaker, so it was heartwarming because it made me feel connected to our Nakoda people. Every year, ANC hosts Native American Week, where our community collaborates to talk about our heritage, from plants and medicines to beading and dancing. There are so many talented people here, like my cousin. She beads jewelry and is an amazing ledger artist. I used to dance woman's fancy shawl, which represents a butterfly. This is my favorite style because it made me feel carefree. My time here is not only keeping me in touch with my heritage and my people, it's also helping me achieve my goals. I hope to live in New York, working as a fashion journalist for Vogue, and then one day be their chief and editor. Aaniiih Nakoda College helps students prepare for the future, but the best part about going here is the people. They're very understanding and caring. You're not just a number to them. This is a great place to discover your passion. Back to you, Alex.
Thank you, Aaniiih. It is awesome to hear how you're using your culture as an inspiration for your career, sharing the beauty of your art and tradition with the world beyond the reservation. ANC encourages students like Aaniiih to pursue their dreams, allowing them to spread their wings and fly. Thanks again, Aaniiih.